Hello everyone, welcome to our final project presentation. This is Synnax with me, Jacinta Rico, Jack Beja in absentia, Trufena Kavere, Jairus Monsia also in absentia, Anthony Kiema and Kevin Ogechi. So our agenda for today is problem statement, past works and database design model. So for the problem statement, Wentworth, which is the Health and Fitness Center Gymnasium, has most of its processes manual. They have to rely on memory to recall clients, and therefore it takes a long time in searching clients' information. They also have difficulties in generating the various relevant reports and keeping track of their client records. So it's difficult. So they therefore need to automate their business processes. Next slide. I'll also take you through the to-be processes and the to-be data models. So for the to-be processes, some of them are watch videos, which showcases the various equipments of the gymnasium online. Also, the client fills an online form. The client pays online or via M-Pesa. Also, the client is given a unique ID, which is a membership ID via email after making a payment. That's just some of the processes. Also for the to-be data, some of them are names of the client's ID or passport number, address, email address, date of birth, and so forth.
Okay, so we have the key users of the system. We have the manager, who is also the receptionist, existing clients. We have a new client, special client, instructor, and gym assistant. Under the use cases, we were able to create for 3 actors, that is the receptionist, who is also the manager, the instructor, and the client. So the receptionist registers new clients, and every time they do that, they update the records. And then we have when a new client is registered, they make some payments which are recorded by the receptionist. So it's the client who makes the payments. The instructor signs in and also signs out. That also includes the receptionist and the client. So every actor has to sign in and sign out. The instructor also prepares the lesson. Next.
So on activity diagrams, we have the various actors who are the receptionist, the customer, and the system. So the process here starts with the receptionist, where the receptionist welcomes the client. He gives the road, the client registers the client, where the customer, if content, will pay for a package, and also the system will update the records on payments, and also prints out a card which is issued to the client by the receptionist. So in the other activity flow diagram for preparing a workout, instructor signs into the system and then prepares lessons depending on the client's profile. So the client will be working out as per the lesson layout. Then he checks the form of activities in the gym that he has done. Then the instructor will sign out after preparing the lesson. So again, in registering the employee, the instructor provides details, then the receptionist inputs the details, and the system updates the records and it puts a card. Then the receptionist issues a card and the employee is registered. So the flowcharts, we have the start and one inputs the credentials, a process of signing in takes place, then the process of preparing a lesson, then signing out, then the process stops. This is for preparing a lesson for the actor instructor. Then also this other flowchart for a client, where a client signs in after inputting credentials, and after signing in, he can make payments, or he can check a work plan according to how the instructor created the work plan for the client. Then the client can sign out. Who input credentials and card is issued, and in another path, the receptionist signs the signing and sign out.
And now we'll go to the context DFD, which is a data flow diagram showing the scope of the system, whereby all external agents and all data tools in and out of the system are shown in one diagram, with the entire system represented as one process. So we have the gym system, which is a process, and then we have the various data flows from the external agents, which are customer, receptionist, instructor, and bank. And then from the gym system to the bank, we have a real-time communication with it, and then we have a data store right here on client info. And then the next diagram is a DFD0, which models system requirements using a single process for each event in system or subsystem. So it summarizes an entire system or subsystem in greater detail than the previous diagram, which was a context diagram. So this one will show the various processes that we have, and then it will have data stores for each process that we have. So we won't go much into details. So Rufena?
Yes. Okay, so we have the class diagram for the system. We have various actors: the instructor, the client, the receptionist. So the instructor creates, the receptionist handles the client transactions. So we have, when a transaction is made, we record the transaction ID, client ID, receptionist ID, phone number, package ID, amount, and description. Under the receptionist, we have their receptionist ID, their first name, last name, address, city, phone number, address, and the salary. So the receptionist handles payments, maybe of the staff, workers like instructors. So under each payment, we have a payment ID, manager ID for the manager or receptionist. We have the instructor ID, phone number of each, the amount each is paid, and the description of the payment, maybe including the signatures and so on. So an instructor creates the lessons. Each lesson has a lesson ID, duration, and description for the lesson. Then we also have packages. Our client is assigned packages in respect to what they want. So we have a package ID, section, days they are going to take, the time when they start the package, duration of the package, instructor ID of the instructor who is going to take them through the package and the receptionist ID. So the instructor is the one who creates the packages. And then under the instructor, we have the instructor ID, first name, last name, address, city, state, province, and many other details. So that is the class diagram.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To our presentation.